Hi, my name is Anahita and I graduated from School of Fashion Technology in 2015. I did my bachelor's in design in textile design. Textile is a very dynamic field where art meets functionality. In our everyday lives, textile is more than just a fabric. It's a canvas for creativity, innovation, looking at sustainable practices. Today, sustainability has become such a big thing. Everybody's talking about how you can make sustainable fabric, how you can do sustainable embroideries, how you can do sustainable printing, and this is what you would be learning in textile. From creating vibrant prints to engineering fabrics with unique textures, designers transform ideas into tangible experiences that resonate with their consumers who they want to sell the product to. You can be working in an export house, you can be working for a bespoke, or you can start your own label as well. For example, bath textiles, which comes under your home section, such as towels, bathrobes, shower curtains, they're not just a practical item that we use in the house. They're an opportunity for us to blend luxury, comfort, and aesthetic appeal in our personal spaces. You can use textile to create a kind of a atmosphere or a kind of vibe you might want to do for your house if you're getting into home textile. My journey began in soft, where I learned about color theory, about fabric technology, about design principles. I learned about weaving. When I learned color theory in college, I've been using this in my work every day for color forecasting. I learned the basics of weaving in college, which I use in my work of knowing how weaving is done and how a towel is made. We learned mood board creation, and this was everything that helped set my foundation, which this college helped me do, which helps me every day in my job. There I discovered that textile design is not just confined for you to do only fashion. I have been working in Welspun Living for the last 7 years, where I have been heading the UK department for towels. A lot of people feel like what is there to design in a towel or what is there to design in a bedsheet. But there is so much that goes into weaving it, what kind of quality it needs, what kind of design, color forecasting. In this industry, every day is a chance for you to innovate something new, whether you're working on a sustainable fabric to reduce environmental impact, or you're designing a collection as a textile designer, which can have a vast opportunity for you to design whatever you feel would be going with the trend, the color forecast, and the mood. It's a field where passion for creativity meets a practical need for high quality, beautiful products.